Hello everyone, today I'm going to share these beautiful craft ideas that you can easily make at home. So I've taken this empty container and using M-Seal I'm going to make the hair and face of the doll. Using a rope I have made shoes also, and then I've taken these popsicle sticks. I'm going to attach in these design and two on top of it. I'm going to make a bench out of this, and this will be the side of the bench. So stick all the popsicles together in this manner using glue gun. I have already applied a layer of gesso on the dolls, so I have let it dry for some time, and now I'm going to paint these using skin color and the dresses with different colors. In the paint I have mixed powder and Fevicol so that it doesn't come out. A kind of gesso only I have made, and this is how it looks. This is the final result. Now for the next one, I have taken these air dye clay that we easily get from the market, and then I have simply made a figure out of this. This is an anime figure, and like this I have made two of these. I have painted using black paint and other features with different shades of paints. I have made some features like eyes, smile, etc. And this is how it looks. Now for the next one, this is the clay that I will be using, and I've taken this small containers which I did not use for a long time. It is very soft and air dry, so it quickly dries. Cover the bottle with this clay and make the legs like this. Make some face like this, and then hair. Make the arms, attach the hand like this. And then I have taken this cardboard box. We are going to just stick it all together very nicely using glue gun or Fevicol also, and then paint it with black paint. I've taken this type of basket kind of thing, and using this I'm going to make a plant which I'll be keeping on the stand or on the ground where they would be sitting. So fill the basket with the clay, and then we are going to take this green air dry clay and make the plant. Now I'm going to use these popsicle sticks and going to stick all over on the bench, on the stand we would be sitting. And then I've taken this empty box, and using this clay only I'm going to cover the box. Let it completely dry, and then we're going to paint it using gray shade. So this is a dark gray shade that I'm using. Like this I made this shade. They are pretending to sit on a rock, and this is the final look. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.